In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Substack and find engaging publications that catch your interest. Whether you're a seasoned newsletter reader or completely new to the platform, I'm here to make sure you have a seamless and satisfying browsing experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to start by logging into substack.com. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details and hit enter to access the vast array of newsletters that Substack has to offer. If you're new to Substack and don't yet have an account, it's a quick and simple process to sign up. Once you're logged in, or even if you're just visiting the site, you'll notice that Substack makes discovering new writers and publications incredibly easy. Once you're on the homepage, you have access to a wealth of content right at your fingertips. Substack showcases a variety of featured publications, carefully curated to highlight diverse voices and quality content. These featured selections are a great starting point if you're open to exploring new writers and topics. But perhaps you have something specific in mind. In this case, you'll want to take advantage of Substack's powerful search bar, located at the top of the page. Enter keywords related to the subject you're interested in, or if there's a particular writer you're curious about, type in their name and see what they have to offer. Let's say you found a publication that piques your interest. The next step is to dive into the articles themselves. When you come across a post that captures your attention, you can click right on the title. This will open up the full article for you to read and enjoy, provided it's a free piece. Substack provides a platform for both free and premium content, so sometimes you may encounter articles behind a paywall. In these cases, you'll see a preview of the content, giving you a taste of what the full article entails. If you find yourself wanting to read more, Substack offers a subscription option. By subscribing, you not only get full access to that particular piece, but also support the writer, allowing them to continue creating content that matters. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to becoming a Substack aficionado. Remember, the joy in Substack lies in the variety of voices and topics it offers. So don't hesitate to explore the different publications and discover what resonates most with you. Thank you for joining me today, and happy reading.